Felix, Jimmy Donaldson, you're mine.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
YouTube, give me Felix and Jimmy Donaldson. If you don't know Felix, Felix is Mr. Felix is PewDiePie and Jimmy Donaldson is Mr. Beast. So yes, give me Felix, PewDiePie, and also give me Mr. Beast, Jimmy Donaldson. Alright? I need this man in my life, okay? Like, we're going to be best of friends, okay? Yeah, exactly. Like, when I get to reach my 1 billion subscriber mark, we're all going to have a huge celebration, okay? So yes, YouTube, give me Jimmy Donaldson and give me Felix, okay? Yeah, that's my circle. That's the circle that I choose to be, especially in this YouTube game and especially in this YouTube business. Exactly. So that's the type of circle that I choose to stay in, and that's the type of circle that I get to stay in. And my channel reach a billion views, okay? My billion channel reach a billion subscribers, and this channel gets to reach a billion YouTube subscribers. Why do I want Felix and Jimmy Donaldson? Well, Felix, PewDiePie, I've been watching him for quite some while now. Not right now, but like during the past, and his content is great. I love his content a lot. He makes fun and exciting content. And Mr. Beast, who is now an established YouTuber, probably the most subscribed YouTuber person on the channel, like a private person that is most subscribed with the YouTube channel. And then he's making waves, okay? He's making big waves, and I celebrate him for that. I congratulate Jimmy Donaldson for that, and also Felix to PewDiePie. Like, PewDiePie is making waves too. The PewDiePie is being great, okay? And his clips and his videos are doing fine, and they're all doing well. So yes, this is the type of circle that I get to be part of. I get to be part of Jimmy Donaldson, and then I get to be part of Felix, okay, PewDiePie and Mr. Beast, okay. I get to feature in a lot of Mr. Beast videos, and Mr. Beast gets to feature in a lot of my videos. Same with PewDiePie. PewDiePie gets to feature in a lot of my videos, and I get to feature in a lot of PewDiePie videos. That is exactly how this relationship dynamic is going to go, right? So it's going to be EBOIGBI the first, Felix, EBOIGBI the first, PewDiePie, and Mr. Beast. So EBOIGBI the first, PewDiePie, and Mr. Beast, okay? So that's exactly how it's going to be like, and that's exactly how it definitely gets to be like. I can't wait, and yes, I'm happy that this is how it's going to be. I'm grateful that this is how my life is going to turn out. I'm grateful and nostalgic for the future of my YouTube channel. That is very great, and I'm enjoying every aspect of the creation process in it. So yes, thanks a lot for watching this video, and now you get to watch my ads. And after I get to watch my ads, you get to watch the final outro. So my ad starts in 3, 2, 1.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion. I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now.
Superstar icon. Alright, let's go.
Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you.
To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time.
Can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
can't get a two-street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street but someone I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street but someone I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. There's a baby around. A baby around. Now whatever, I'll be coming back home.
You made it to the end of the video. That's so fucking great. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. Now, if you want to get my product, now that you have got to watch this product, now that you have got to watch my ads, make sure you go get the product. Link in the description. And then make sure you like this comment and give it a subscribe. And then subscribe, and share with friends. Okay? Yeah. So thanks so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Take it easy. Peace.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.